Wash the chicken with clean water once. Use kitchen paper to dry it. Add a little salt, a pinch of monosodium glutamate, a splash of soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, a spoonful of cornstarch, and some peanut oil. Mix everything well and marinate for 20 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan. Add scallions, ginger, and garlic. And stir fry it until fragrant. Then add the chicken and spread it out evenly. At this point, pour 2 circles of white rice wine. Stir fry until fragrant. Add a circle of soy sauce and a little oyster sauce. Add some warm water. Cover the pan and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Add scallions for flavor enhancement. And you're ready to serve.